Hi there! Today we'll create practical and stylish labels for your kitchen jars. Whether it's sugar, flour, spices, or other essentials, we'll guide you step by step to design beautiful, clear labels. Start by creating a new design and setting your canvas to your desired size. I prefer 4 by 2 inches for those labels. For the background, I'm using a label shape I found on Creative Fabrica. Just upload it into Studio and you're set with a ready-made base. Insert a text field and type the jar's contents, like flour or rice. Customize the font, size, and style to your taste. For a personal touch, add some extra text, a small graphic or icons. Once you're satisfied, click Share and download your label as a printable file. And there you have it, your personalized kitchen jar label, ready to print and apply. Happy organizing!